Hey, today I'm going to make use of whatever that I have in my refrigerator to cook something for myself at home. And I'm pretty sure that you have the same experience before, whereby you just want to stay at home and make use of whatever that you have to cook something for yourself. Hey, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Welcome back to my channel. I have some broccoli and some mushroom. So today I'm going to make a simple broccoli and mushroom stir-fry Chinese style. Let me show you how to do it in this video. Cut the broccoli into small florets. The stem into slices. Mushroom into slices. I'm using shitake mushrooms and king oyster mushrooms. You can substitute them with whatever mushrooms that you have, for example, butter mushrooms. I'll cut the shitake mushroom slightly thicker than the king oyster mushroom. Because the shitake mushroom is relatively softer. Carrot into round slices. And some bell pepper. Because the broccoli florets are green and the mushrooms are brown, it is nice to add some red color to the dish. And a tablespoon of thinly sliced garlic. The stir-fry sauce is made with some good quality light soy sauce, some oyster sauce, if you want to make it vegetarian, you can use this type of oyster sauce, which is written as vegetarian oyster sauce. Essentially, it is made with mushroom extracts. And some ground white pepper, some cornstarch to thicken the sauce, a small amount of water, and that's the stir-fry sauce for this recipe. After preparing all the ingredients, get a pot of water. When it is boiling, put the carrot and the broccoli inside. Since I pre-cooked the vegetables, the time that is required to stir-fry these vegetables will become much shorter, and that helps to retain its vibrant color. If you are concerned that boiling will cause the loss of nutrients of the vegetables, what you can do is put it onto a steamer and steam the vegetables until crisp and tender. So how long should I boil the vegetables? It's when if you use a fork to poke on it, it will release easily. That's when we should immediately remove the vegetable from the water. If you continue cooking it, it will become too soft. Let's start cooking. Heat some oil in the wok. Saute the garlic slices over low heat. Low heat helps to prevent the garlic slices from burning. Once it turns fragrant, add the mushrooms. Now turn up the heat and add the carrot and broccoli. And then the bell pepper. Next, the stir-fry sauce. do a taste test to check the flavor. Just a little bit of salt, some sesame oil, now turn up the heat again, mix everything together. And lastly, a splash of Chinese wine, which is optional. It's done and ready to serve. What a simple dish. Quick and delicious, and it's so colorful. That's how to prepare a quick and easy stir-fried broccoli with mushrooms, whatever that I have in my refrigerator, and I hope you will love it. And please subscribe, tap the notification, and give me a thumbs up as usual. And I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye for now.